Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ledger entries in Tally Prime. First, we'll cover the basics of ledgers and their importance in accounting. We'll look at how ledgers help categorize every financial transaction, ensuring your books are always balanced and accurate. This foundational knowledge is crucial for anyone managing accounts, whether for a small business or a larger enterprise. Let's dive into the core concepts before we get hands-on. Now, let's walk through creating a new ledger in Tally Prime. From the gateway of Tally, simply select Create, then choose Ledger under Accounting Masters. You'll need to provide a unique name for your ledger, like Rent Expense or Sales Account. Assign it to the correct group, such as Indirect Expenses or Sales Accounts, to ensure proper classification. This step is vital for organizing your financial data effectively. Once your ledgers are set up, it's time to record transactions using vouchers. Go to Vouchers from the gateway of Tally. Choose the correct voucher type, for example, a payment voucher for outgoing funds or a receipt for incoming money. You'll then debit one ledger and credit another, entering the transaction amount. For instance, a payment of $500 for rent would debit rent expense and credit cash or bank. Finally, let's explore how to review and manage your entries. The Daybook provides a comprehensive list of all transactions recorded on a specific date. To view all entries for a particular ledger, navigate to Display More Reports, then Account Books, and select Ledger. Here, you can easily modify or even delete an entry if a correction is needed, ensuring your financial records remain accurate and up to date.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.